Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a piece of kitchen tech that might just change the way you think about portable cooking. This is the PrimaCook 1800W portable induction cooktop. If you have ever struggled with limited counter space, a slow stove in an RV, or the need for an extra burner during the holidays, this unit is designed to solve those exact problems. Let us start with the performance. The standout feature here is that it actually stays on. Many budget induction burners have annoying auto-shutoff features that kill the power after an hour or two. This unit is built to run for up to 10 hours with its built-in timer. That makes it a game changer for tasks like pressure canning or slow simmering stews that take all day. You are getting 1800 watts of power, which is the sweet spot for a standard 110-volt outlet. With 18 power levels and 20 precise temperature settings, the control is impressive. Whether you need to bring a massive pot of water to a boil in minutes or maintain a delicate simmer for a sauce, you have enough granular control to get it right. Because induction is 95% energy efficient, it is not only faster than traditional electric coils but also significantly cheaper to run over time. Safety is always a major concern with heating elements. One of the best things about induction is that the glass surface itself does not generate heat. The heat is created directly in the cookware. This means the burner surface stays much cooler, which drastically lowers the risk of accidental burns. It also features a child safety lock to prevent any unwanted button presses. If you move your pan off the surface, the auto pan detection kicks in, and the unit stops heating instantly. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the cleanup is effortless. Since the surface does not get searing hot, food spills do not bake onto the glass. You can just wipe it clean with a damp cloth after you are done. The fan noise is also notably quieter than most other units in this category, which is a big plus for smaller living spaces like dorms or tiny homes. On the other side, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, this is only compatible with magnetic cookware. If your favorite aluminum pans are not induction compatible, they will not work. A simple test is to see if a magnet sticks to the bottom of your cookware. If it does not stick, it will not heat up. Also, while it is compact, you need to ensure you have a dedicated power source that can handle the full wattage when running at maximum capacity. To conclude, the PrimaCook induction burner is a high-performance tool that packs professional-level control into a portable design. It is reliable, safe, and surprisingly versatile for everything from camping trips to serious kitchen meal prep. If you want a burner that can actually handle long cooking sessions without quitting on you, this is a fantastic investment. Link in the description.